So, I've had this Dodge 2010 Journey for a while now, and there's been nothing but problems with it. So now the latest problem is the starter. And I took it to the mechanic. He replaced the battery because he swore that it was the battery, but I could tell that it probably was the starter. But now researching further, it seems that it's a common problem with all Dodge Journeys, that there's something wrong with the assembly of either the starter or the electrical system, but it's a common problem, and Dodge refuses to acknowledge this. They refuse to acknowledge that there's anything wrong with this Dodge Journey, that it's actually just a piece of crap. I wouldn't buy it. I've read nothing but problems on all Dodge Journey owners from 2009 and above. I hope they fix the later issues, but I've had nothing but problems. I had to loan a car for a year and a half while they were trying to diagnose a lifter tick issue. But of course, they held it until the lemon law was out, and now I have a starter problem. So look, we'll try it. See that? Nothing. Then I read that if you try and put it in neutral, that might help and do it, but it's in neutral, nothing there. So this is my Dodge issue now. Nothing but problems. Not a good car. Never was. Thanks a lot, Dodge.